All right, so here is a great idea that Anita spotted, all right? And it's a really good idea for you to do exactly what Anita's doing. Anita, by the way, is also in my Advanced Inner Circle, and her Amazon business is doing very, very well too. Not that those two things are contingent upon each other, but it certainly helps. All right, so what Anita spotted was another Amazon seller selling with a very creative way to build their brand. Although they are actually doing it very poorly, but it's a very good idea. So here's their page called SVANCE, Svance, okay? There are only 475 people that like this page, all right? So it is not many people at all. And so clearly what they do is they sell some products, and they've got a store on Amazon. So what they have put together is they're looking to get traction for this product for reviews. And as Anita very, very wisely said, it's probably not a great strategy for getting reviews because the quality of the customers will be very, very poor. But for a product launching strategy, it's actually a really good idea. So what they've done is they've said, you can have this tent and you can get a discount for it. All you need to do is share this. So click on this, share this. Share it here, and then make sure that your post on Facebook gets likes. So if you get 60 likes, they will send you a 60% off coupon code. 99 likes gets a 99% off code. 100 likes gets you 99 off plus $5 in cash, all right? Which is very flipping smart. It's a really, really good idea to do this. And look what's happened as a result of it. 263 people have shared that post on Facebook. 263 people. And look at all of them saying, look, I've shared it, here's my thing, and look what I'm getting now. I got more than 190 likes. So they've had 263 people trying to get 100 likes for their post. And of course what that does is it shares it all over Amazon, and anybody that likes the post can also do the same thing as well, and in that way the post becomes viral. Now for launching a product, this is absolutely brilliant, because what you want to do, of course, is get lots of people to buy your product, and here's a very, very elegant way to do that, and also have a very, very viral way of doing it as well. Now I think that their image here is crap. They should have done a much better job of this. However, it shows you, even with a crappy image that's actually quite difficult to read, the font's kind of hard, yada, 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 it's still working like gangbusters. It's still working really, really well. So you can see, invite your friends to like and share and comment, etc., etc. It's a very, very smart strategy. So take a look at that. You would use that for your own products. As Anita said, I don't believe it's a very good strategy for getting reviews, because these are not high quality people who are buying your product, not high quality customers actually. Let's do it properly. So they're not high quality customers for your product. But when you're doing a launch, you don't need high quality customers. You need sales velocity when you launch a product, okay? Which is something much, much different. Reviews will come afterwards once you actually start, and there's a whole strategy around getting reviews that I cover in my training, but this is a really good idea to get sales velocity. This particular niche likes this. This is good. This niche is very, very, there's a lot of potential people searching for this, and you want to, and if they rank their product on Amazon really, really well, pop-up beach tents. Let's go and search for that. Again, think about that in Australia. That's actually a good idea for Australia, pop-up beach tent. Pop-up, that's just not a pop-up beach tent. Let's see how many people searching for this. My phone's going off. I'll throw my photo over here. Pop-up beach tent. Somebody crazy calling me. Here we go. Beach tent. Pretty good. 97,000 people searching for that. Baby beach tents. I'd go after that for sure. What about in Australia, I wonder? 24,000. See, that's disproportionate when you think about it, isn't it? It's disproportionate. I love disproportionate things. So Amazon.com, biggest marketplace in the world, 360 million people in America, 97,000 people searching for that. Australia, 26 million people, 24,000, so 1/3. So it's a disproportionate amount of people searching for it, which tells you a lot about our climate and the folks here in Australia. So that's also ought to give you ideas for beachy related things, because clearly that's something that's already picked up a lot of traction on Amazon. So I thought that was great, and well done Anita for spotting that. I think I will definitely be using that too. All right, so Hitten says, do you need to advertise such a post? No, is the answer to that, because this does all the advertising for you. That's the whole purpose of it, Hitten. It's already been shared 263 times. Of course, the more people that share it, the more other people share it, because it's just anybody can share this post. You don't need to like this page. There's only 475 people like the page. You don't need to like the page to share the post. A friend of a friend can share the post, and clearly that's what's happening. So it's a viral post. It's a very smart way of doing that. Alan, isn't that Facebook Office similar to using JumpStage's process? Isn't that Facebook Office similar to using a JumpStage process? No, not really. JumpSend does something different. Although, well, JumpSend, of course, is a way to get people to get your product. But you've got to pay JumpSend to do that, of course. This is absolutely free. Nobody's paid JumpSend anything to do that. And of course, once they've actually got in touch with you here, so Tyler, for instance, once Tyler's got in touch with me, I can message her and say, hey Tyler, here's your 99% off coupon. Or even better, I could message her and say, give me your email, I'll email your coupon to you, and that way I'm getting an email database of people that I can use for future product launches too. You do not get that, of course, with JumpSend. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.